This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is May 28th, 2019. This one here I got a call from a friend of mine. He's got an Riello oil boiler. That's a direct fired unit. I've worked on this system before. He says he's got no hot water, no heat type of thing. Pretty warm here now, so I'm not worried about the heat, but the hot water is an issue. He says he bled it and he's getting a good oil flow at the burner, but it's not firing. Or it could be just a dirty head, dirty nozzle. We'll go over there and see if we get this Riello working for him. Good friend of mine. He's the one who let me borrow that Bobcat to do my driveway. So he kind of does me favors, I do him favors type of thing. So he's a good friend. He let me borrow that Bobcat to do my yard. I mean, so I have fixed his oil burner in the past and not charged him. So it sounds like it's going to be another freebie. Try to get you some shots. Must be off on safety there. He says he's getting oil. Looks like he put a new control box on it. That looks brand new. That's brand new. I'm gonna check the oil flow. Jump out. That might be an issue right there. These connectors look all screwed up. I'm gonna jump out 5 and 6. When we turn the power on, it calls for heat. It'll run just the motor so I can check the oil flow. Okay. Be able to turn the motor and check the oil flow. Probably just needs a nozzle cleaned or something. Last time I've been here, 1:30:18. Could just have carbon on the head, very possible. So I got the power back off again. This one's a Phillips jobby. Half inch fits on there. We'll try the nozzle. If it don't fire with the nozzle, we'll get into it deeper. Yeah, that's probably it. See all the carbon? See all the carbon on the head? That's probably what our issue is. There's a little screw right here. Take this screw out. Loosen it. This will slide right out. Make sure that there's no carbon on the We'll try a nozzle, see what happens. It's a 7560. Try the easy things first, you know. $75.45, that'll work in there too. That carbon off the head. That's a new box, he put that in there. He's got one of them kits, I think. He's got one of them Riello kits. Alright, let's see if it fires. There's a little delay on it. Nope, she didn't fire. Sure sounded like it wanted to, though. I want to open this thing up, see what it looks like in there. Alright, so she's clean in there. I mean, it's not all nasty. Not bad. So that's not all choked up. That's not an issue. I'm gonna get the right nozzle for it out of the truck. 7560 and try that. I don't think that them electrodes are up enough. I'm going to try a different nozzle in there. We'll try a 60 instead of that 45. That might be the problem. I got an 8560 I could throw in there. Just because the nozzle's new don't mean it's good, right? Problem is you can't see in there. I could smell the fuel. Sounds like it wants to start, but it's not starting. So I'll try a different nozzle. I'm all out of 7560s. I think I got some in the garage. electrode in 8560. It'll be fine. We'll try that. Reset the electrodes a little bit and try it out. See if it fires. All the way. This is a new box, like I said. Looks like a new box to me. We'll try that, see what happens. See if it fires. Electrodes weren't set right. And that nozzle I had wasn't the right one. I need a 60. I'll go outside and make sure it's not smoking. Difference with the cover on, huh? Barely hear it running with the cover on. Really should run a 60-degree nozzle on that, burning out a 45, but if I would have set them electrodes out more, it would have fired. It's right here, so as long as it's not blowing black smoke, I'm good. We're good. So I did take it apart. It's not all crusty inside there. Alright. New filter, reset electrodes, good oil flow, clean retention head. A lot of stuff going on here. A lot of stuff, but it's up and running. Something's leaking. This guy's a plumber, so I'm not worried about this. He can fix this himself. He's a big pro press guy. Look at these fittings. I think these things are probably big money. I wonder how he's gonna do over here. He's probably gonna put another storage tank in or something. Make a store. I'm not sure what he's gonna do here, but he's a smart plumber, so I'm not worried about that. He definitely knows his stuff, so. Just left that job. I could hear it trying to fire in there, but probably that 45-degree nozzle wasn't the greatest thing to put in there. And the electrodes were back a little bit further than I like. So I moved the electrodes out a little bit. Put the proper nozzle in there and she fired right up. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Oh, yeah, you're cheesy. You're a cheesy dog. You love driving. Oh, I know you love driving. You love driving. You love driving. Yeah, I know you do.